Hi, my name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about no heat in your Mercedes, and this happened to me, so I just want to, hopefully I can help someone out there. But usually you think, let me take out the big guns and let me get the car scanner out, but it could be a lot simpler than that. So I didn't really notice, didn't really pay attention until I got a warning on my dashboard that I have a low antifreeze. And a light bulb went off in my head, and sure enough, I'm gonna go to the front of the car, show you what I did, and then come back in and show you how it felt afterwards in terms of the heat coming in after I did that refill. But I'm gonna change camera view, and here we go. All right, if we come here and we open up, and you probably want to do this when the car's cold. I started the car up initially this morning. I turned it off just to complete the video. I'm gonna take, and normally you want to have a rag if you're gonna open up and the engine is hot, but the best time to do this when the car is cold. And I just want to show you the level, and I did another video on how or where to fill it up. There's like a black marker. So this reservoir was almost down, almost empty. And if you have an empty reservoir and you put on the heat in your car, you're not gonna get a lot of heat. So as soon as I filled up the antifreeze and I put heat in the car, I got heat. So that's a simple way you can check to see why you're not getting heat. No need to bring out the big guns first, the scanner and stuff like that. Just a little bit of ingenuity and just do the basics. All right, if you notice the temperature is high all the way up, that's because I want my heat to come out quick. And it really do get hot. Within a few minutes, I'm turning either reducing the heat, or I'm turning it off completely. But yeah, this does work. So just want to save you guys some time and money. Hopefully this video helps someone. See ya.